trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes.
One eternity later.
It's no secret that it's been 3 months since my last sit-down video. It's been 2 months since my last video on YouTube. So 3 months since the last sit-down video, 2 months since the last video on YouTube, which was actually a vlog. And it's safe to say that courtesy demands that I apologize for the break in transmission. But a new dispensation has come. Anyway, hi, welcome back to my channel. And if you're an OG and if you're new here, I say welcome to this space. This is a struggling space. This is a content struggling space. This is a YouTube struggling space. So if you can relate to exactly what you're going to be seeing in this video, what you're going to be listening to in this video, if you can relate to it, just drop a comment. Let me know that I'm not the only one in this boat, right? So it's nice to be back here. It's nice to sit down and create content once again, especially because it is something that, well, I actually love doing. You know, it's those things that you love doing that you can get tired of quickly. But anyway, so that we don't end up making this video a ranting video, which is not supposed to be, right? This is me just saying that oh sorry, just for a second I thought it was raining. These days you don't know what to expect with the weather. So this is me just saying that content creation is a whole lot, and in as much as people talk about, you see people here on YouTube especially talking about the benefits of being a content creator, the benefits of being a YouTuber. Like, I don't think people are talking about the downtimes as a YouTuber, your downtimes as a content creator, right? People are not talking about it enough. People are just ruggeding it on the streets, right? And there are some other people that would probably be looking at these other people and think, oh, they have it all easy. So how is this person doing it? If this person is doing it, why can't I do it? Why can't I pull it off? And stuff like that. But I want you to know that it's okay to feel how you're feeling. It's okay to feel like. So yeah, this is me opening up about my real struggles here on YouTube. And there's this saying that what is worth doing is worth doing well, right? So in as much as I won't tell you that I've not yearned to create content, I've not had the urge, there are many days I've woken up and I'll be like, yes, today is my content day. In fact, I'm doing this, right? I pick up my notepad, I write down content ideas. I'm like, in fact, sometimes I end up creating this content in my head or in my dream. But bringing it to reality, right, tends to be a struggle because life can happen. A lot of things can disrupt the day, or the day can actually go just not how you expected it to be, right? And even if you want to just rugged it and just do anything, right, you still remember that you are that person that will tell yourself that what is worth doing is worth doing well. You are that person that would want to have your space, that would want to be in the right frame of mind, that would want to basically just be cool, be chill, do it like not you're not doing it under and under pressure. You're not doing it like it's a do or die affair. That is there. That is on one side, and then the other side where well, YouTube analytics is really not even helping us out right now. It's not even encouraging. It's not even a place to get motivation from. But you still remember that you need to put in the work for those analytics to like hit the roof, right? You still need to be consistent, create quality videos that still need to pass across a message. So each and every one of these things have been my struggle. I don't know about you out there. I don't know about. I want to feel that I'm not the only one in this boat, right? But it has been a struggle. Like I remember when I recently started this channel, when I recently started content creation, right? There are times when I would wake up in the night to edit videos. Like I moved from editing on Premiere Pro with my system to being like, guy, film it in such a way that you can edit on the go, you can edit on CapCut, and you can edit on the move. Like I don't have to create time to sit down and say I'm going to run this, like I'm going to sit down to edit this video. Being a student, on the other hand, wasn't making it any easier. Like I wrote exams for about a month or there about 3 weeks or thereabouts, probably a month anyway. And man, like I said, you just need to be okay, as in be in the right frame of mind to pull these things off. So that being said and established, it is safe to say that even as people who have 9 to 5 jobs, people who report to offices, people who probably report to their business centers and stores and all sorts, even as much as they have their struggles, you as a content creator, whether stay at home mom, stay at home wife, entrepreneur, or what have you, as long as you're a full-time content creator, right, it is allowed that you have your own struggles. Don't let the pressure of should be you're working for yourself, should be it is content creation. Don't let that pressure get to you and make you feel like you are incompetent. It is allowed to face some struggles, allowed to see yourself as having that downtime, that content block, or that not being in the right frame of mind to do that work. The only plus there is to it is that you are your own boss, even if you're not making the money, but you're your own boss. So you don't have anybody to give you a query, you don't have HR to report to, and stuff like that. That's like the real plus there is to it. But even at that, because you don't have anybody to report to, the guilt is eating you up. Like, trust me, the guilt of not working, the guilt of not putting out content for your family, your online family, the guilt of seeing people's messages like, babe, how far, what's going on, are you good, we're not getting content from you, what's up. That guilt, man, it eats up like nothing. Like it eats up so bad, so fast, especially when you have your mind on this stuff. Like especially when you know that you really want to do it, it can really eat you up. So it's safe to say that these struggles come, and even as they come, they go. Yeah, and you just need to pick up the camera, pick up yourself, pick up anything you need to pick up that mic, and film and like get it out there. Yeah, filming is one thing, getting it out is another thing, trust me. The struggles of content creation have really been underemphasized, and I know I'm coming back to it. I know I'm coming back to it, but it's just safe to put this out there and say this has been my own struggle. This has been it for me for the past 2 months, and I think I've told myself as well to pick up my camera, pick up my stuff, pick up myself, and get the grind on again. get the grind on again. Anyway, guys, it's really really nice to be back here. Like, I really feel good doing this. Why am I smiling this much? But I really feel good doing this, and I'll sustain it more. Yeah. I really feel fulfilled. I feel good that I'm finally putting out this particular video. This video talking about my struggles, and got a lot of content ideas lined up, a lot of things and to film about, especially like I said, and like my description of my channel says, right, talking about stuff that are not well talked about, but well relating to my own experience, and bringing out experiences, well, that I have pulled through, especially in my 20s, uh, as a young lady living in Lagos, Nigeria, basically. So, channel ideas surrounding that coming up soon. Definitely stay glued to the channel, subscribe to this space, and share with that, that growing YouTuber that would need something like this. I would need to not feel alone. Just share it with the person. I last time I made this video, I talked about this kind of video. I talked about things I didn't know about YouTube, like I needed YouTube, but that was about a year ago. Yeah, I think I'll put that description somewhere in this place. I talked about my struggles as a first time YouTuber, and that's the thing. There's no time frame. Nobody will tell you that don't worry, do it after like no after like 2 months or 3 months, you get used to it, the struggles will be over. Even after 1 year, man, we're still trying our best. So, well, it is what it is, and just saying that after this one, it has to be consistency from here on onward. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking up on me. For all of you that did, thanks for your messages. I really really appreciated them, and thanks for staying glued to the channel. Thanks for watching the content. There are a whole lot of other videos on the channel. Please enjoy yourself, binge watch, and I'll see you in the next one.